Q&A?
Cute.
Oh, cute. What do you think of the lights, halo shit?
Nice.
Yeah?
You want the lights on?
Sure, yeah, appreciate it, man. You want to give me like a quick summary of this thing?
Okay, so it's a track car. Mismatched bumpers. They're pretty light wheels for what they are. Got grippy tires. Has a light and clutch, light and flywheel, upgraded clutch. It's still pretty stock, but I do want to go turbo. Other than that, it's just stock. Little interior things. That's about it.
This is
Thicker
wild,
sway
man.
bars all around. They're getting there. My last one I ended up selling for 10K.
Yeah.
What the problem is?
Well, it wasn't bad. It was just getting there.
Crazy Miata track car, guys. Yo, Darius, I know you want to drive this.
I don't know why I'm running.
Ah, fuck. Oh. Alright, look at this motherfucking cannon, yo. Jesus Christ. Shit can blow out a country with that fucking thing. It's an RPG. Holy shit. You're saying you'd be down for one of those?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Miata?
Of course. Fuck.
Hell yeah, dude.
This thing is wild, yo. Oh shit, we're gonna take a look under?
Got the stick in the back. Hey.
Hey. Alright, let's see.
It's not the prettiest thing.
Hey, for 360,000, that's pretty good.
360. Can't go wrong.
There you go. Alright guys. Toronto, we're here. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.